The composition is confirmed. We have a pass.
Excellent. Move it to the next stage. Here are the certifications for the latest batch.
The grain structure looks perfect. We can sign off on these.
See that section there? Perfect adherence to the spec.
Yes, the surface finish data correlates perfectly.
We're seeing a slight fluctuation on the gauge here. It looks stable from the outside. I just compensated, it's leveling off now.
The temperature curve is tracking precisely as required for the stress relief.
Acknowledged. The soak time is accurate.
Check the current flow here.
Adjusting the dial now. Readings are stabilizing. The calibration is still current according to the certificate. Torque is complete. I'll update the tablet.
Ready for the actuator alignment? Bring it down 20 millimeter. Watch your clearance on the brace.
Pressure stabilized at 3,000. Confirmed. Air is purged. System nominal. We are approaching the maximum load threshold. Monitor the strain gauges closely. Data is stable. Proceeding with the cycle. The robotic arms are applying a precise, even layer of corrosion-resistant primer and top coat.
Verify the coating thickness on the strut joint.
Scanning now. The data matches the certification standard. We are clear for sign-off.
All right, easy now, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on the left. Looks good, set it down. Bring it down easy now. All right, hold it right there, looks good. Set it down, we'll strap it in.